Hi everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. We have got another Temu package here today. Quite excited because they actually bundled two different parcels into one, so we've got 3 items in here. One of the things has been on my wish list for some time, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's like an Ellie dog. Yes, if you know Lazy Retired's granny's dog called Ellie, you're going to love this, Linda, because in here it's Ellie. I can't wait to show you this. So let's get into the package. And these scissors are blunt, so I'm gonna have to get some more, I think. In here, oh my god, yeah. Okay, so the first thing is, oh my god, that's a tiny pack. I thought that was a lot bigger than that. Oh man. Okay, wow. The packs I normally get like twice the size of this, but I needed some more cotton wool bud things, so I got them. Doesn't really look like you get a lot in there, so yeah, a bit disappointed on that. Now I can't wait to show you this. The painting, it's Ellie dog time. Yeah, I don't think it might be an Ellie dog, but I think that looks like an Ellie. Do you guys? Let us know in the comments. You got a little puppy. Ooh, so cute. Now this is a special, and yeah, I think it was priced like £4 something, but so this parcel was running late. Sorry, not this parcel, another parcel in front of it was running late, and I got credit for it, so I didn't have to pay for it, which was quite nice. Now inside here, I think it's a Christmas scene, I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. So oh my god, look at that. That is so Paula's dog, Rocco. That is so like him, isn't it? Oh wow. And this is the Ellie dog, although it's not quite Ellie, but you know, it's new enough. And yeah, I think it's like a scene at Christmas, because this looks like it's a basket of some sort, and then obviously you've got the Christmas tree here with the balls on it, and then obviously the window here. You've even got, look at the detail they've put in here. They've actually put yourself a little tree outside the window. How cool is that? You very rarely get that. Normally if the window's there, you don't get things going on behind the window, so that's fantastic. You've got this little dog here. I can't work out if he's sniffing the tree or looking round this way. There's an optic illusion, look. This, if you look very carefully, look, you've got 2 eyes and a nose this way, or you can have an eye and the nose sort of looking up there, because you can see the ear here and then it's looking around there, but I think it's this way, and he's wearing a little Christmas hat. Oh cool. And then we've got another dog here. We've got so many pups in this, and then we've got a cute little dog there looking out the basket, seeing what presents he's got, and a couple, and this one looks very mischievous. Look, he's like, what did you do? That's a Rocco look. Yeah, very cool. And yeah, these are the balls here, and then obviously you've got some marquees with the flowers and that. This is a stunning painting. Let's have a look at the, yeah, stick is beautiful. Wow, fantastic. And then, well, let's have a look at our tray. Again, standard boat tray, sorry, boat wax and pen. And look at these. These are absolutely stunning. Look, we've got a couple of hot pinks there. We've got a pink and a green and a silver, a gold, lovely champagne colour, that one. We've got an orange, a very nice hot pink there, and we've got a greeny marquee, sort of Wisdom Frost colour, and then an orange marquee as well. Yeah, this is stunning. Okay, lovely. So that's the first one. And then our last painting for this is, this took a little bit of time, because apparently, so the message on Temu was saying they had to make it. It was a pre-order item. So they had to, it doesn't sound like they had it in stock. It like had to be made. So yeah, so in here we have, look, it's a dolphin. Oh my god, right, this one's gonna whiz by because there's not really an awful lot to put in this. Look at that. Oh wow, yeah. So I mean, would we get actually 10 minutes worth out of this? I mean, it's so very little to drill. Kind of, it's a lovely image, but I'm kind of disappointed with like the level of how much we get to diamond paint, because all up here is sort of like, there's virtually nothing apart from sun, cliffs and water. It's a lovely image, but when you get to here, you've only got like a few bits on the dolphin. The turtle's pretty loaded, and then you've got the shells, and that's it. So I reckon this will be a 30-minute session. It's going to be such a quick painting because there's really not a lot to drill, but it's so cute. And yeah, very, very nice. I love this backdrop here. You've got a waterfall coming down here, and the glorious sun. Got very, oh my god, I can't even see what these are. Wow, these are all like the round gems. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It's the letters of the alphabet. I don't think we've had that before, have we? Like, all in order. Wow. Now, if you wanted to, you could stick some, like, diamond paint and sealer and then put some ABs for the sun, like, pull it in just to build it up a bit. But, yeah, there's not really an awful lot to do in this. Stick is, yeah, okay. This is quite an interesting symbol. Look at that. Can't work out, is that a love heart or, like, this black one going around the edge? Very interesting, isn't it? It looks like a C. Yeah, that's that goldy one. Okay, cool. And then in here we've got ourselves the tray, wax, and then obviously the pen, and then obviously in here we have oh wow, look, we've got a oh, what's it called, a rose. Oh man, I ain't had them for so long. Wow, fantastic. And then we've got a pink marquee, a blue marquee, a hot pink there, a green, an orange, a blue, and this gorgeous, what's that? Very pale pink, isn't it? Wow, this is going to be a stunning image. I can't wait. What colour is that? That's H. So this, oh my god, like, they've given us 3. Look at that, and you've got all of them. So we're going to get spares. Yes. Yeah, and then obviously there's a few up there, so maybe not. We might not get any spares. But let us know what your favourite is. Is it this gorgeous little wow, or is it this beautiful? These are stunning. I can't wait to get this one done for Christmas. This is going to be gorgeous. Oh, wow. Don't I just pick the best paintings ever? A lot of my viewers say that I always pick like the really good paintings, or really lovely paintings. So I seem to pick all the wonderful ones. But anyway, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Get them in your basket via the links of this video. Please remember to give the video a like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you again soon for another Temu. Temu, give me Temu. Temu, yeah. I love Temu. Anyway, take care. Adios, amigo.